Magazine depleted.
Good God, OPHIS are so close to launching. We need to stop them for good. Get to that laptop.
Bypassing enemy systems.
Nothing. It's no good. Wait, it's Bowl. She's here.
Hello, Espire. Do you see now how futile your attack has been?
Stop this, Bowl. If you launch that slam, millions will die.
And everyone will die if I don't. Now come, fight me while you still can.
Oh, she's possessing Espire Model 1 units. They're old, but nothing to scoff at.
Blast door D1 cleared.
Cinder has taken damage.
You haven't won yet, Espire.
It's repairing itself?
Christ, we don't...
Poe,
What are you doing? Stop that!
that's it! I've gained partial backdoor access.
Blast door D2 cleared.
Magazine depleted.
Attack that unit! I'm breaking through and regaining control.
Don't you realize your place in all this? You're training that AI.
Does she mean eyes?
Dector's almost gained access. Don't slow down.
Blast door D3 cleared. Missile is green for launch.
Yes! Got full access to Bolt's little arm.
Hello, Espire. It's been a long time.
Weapons locked. Bypassing enemy systems.
Do you really think this is the end? After everything that's happened? You've been protecting...
Christ, not now!
Was that? Wait, was that the AI you're training? Your AI taking control? God.
The gas sterilization sequence on Bolt's control theater. Use it.
Enough! Who told you our AI is being trained?
The same people who hired us to collect the Espire technology all those years ago. It's them that led us to your base and caused the siege that got Baker killed.
None without all.
All of us obsolete once again. Well done, Poe. We're one step closer to stopping OPHIS's plans.
Good God, OPHIS are so close to launching. We need to stop them for good. Get to that laptop.
Bypassing enemy systems.
Nothing. It's no good. Wait, it's Bo. She's here.
Hello, Espire. You see now how futile your attack has been?
Stop this, Bo. If you launch that slam, millions will die.
And everyone will die if I don't. Now come, fight me while you still can.
Poe, she's possessing Espire Model 1 units. They're old, but nothing to scoff at.
Blast door D1 cleared.
Unit has taken damage.
Haven't won yet, Espire.
It's repairing itself?
Christ, we don't have time for this. Dector, any ideas?
Poe, genius! Colonel, if Poe hacks up,
What are you doing? Stop that!
that's it! I've gained partial backdoor access.
Blast door D2 cleared.
Hack that unit. I'm close to breaking through and regaining control.
Don't you realize your place in all this? You're training that AI.
Does she...
Dector's almost gained access.
Blast door D3 cleared.
No! Leave me alone!
Magazine.
Slam missile is green for launch.
Yes! Got full access to Bo's little army. Poe, use the possession interface. Take control of our units.
I don't know who's listening, but you must stop! I beg you!
Hello, Espire.
Weapons locked. Bypassing enemy systems.
Do you really think this is the end? After everything that's happened? You've been protecting the future.
Christ, not now!
None without.
All of us obsolete once again. I'm impressed. OPHIS have a lot more to worry about with you operating Espire.
Good God, OPHIS are so close to launching. We need to stop them for good. Get to that laptop.
Bypassing enemy systems.
Nothing. It's no good. Wait, it's Bo. She's here.
Hello, Espire. Do you see now how futile your attack has been?
Stop this, Bo. If you launch that slam, millions will die.
And everyone will die if I don't. Now come, fight me while you still can.
Poe, she's possessing Espire Model 1 units. They're old, but nothing to scoff at.
Blast door D1 cleared.
Haven't won yet, Espire.
It's repairing itself?
Christ, we don't...
Poe,
What are you doing? Stop that!
That's it! I've gained partial backdoor access.
Blast door D2 cleared.
Attack that unit. I'm close to breaking through and regaining control.
Don't you realize your place in all this?
Dector's almost gained access. Don't slow down.
Blast door D3 cleared.
Stretch, Poe!
No! Leave that unit alone!
Slam missile is green for launch.
Yes! Got full access to Bold's little...
Hello, Espire. It's been a...
Bypassing enemy systems.
Do you really think this is the end? After everything that's happened? You've been protecting a future that doesn't need you.
Christ, not now! Enough! Who told...
None without.
All of us obsolete once again.
I'd call that a major success. ICE is feeding your performance report now.
Poe, start the sterilization sequence.
Bowl, KIA, slam, destroyed. Foster Lacrum stocks at record high.
And it's all thanks to you, Poe. I'm sorry it's so dark in here. We emptied the place while you slept.
You're the reason that Baker is dead. Why I suffered through rehab.
I did what was necessary. We needed the best technology. No one would just hand Espire to us.
You need Poe to control Espire. You're finished without us.
Maybe once upon a time, but Poe has been retired. Eyes is and will be operating Espire on all future deployments. Just like Dector hoped.
What?
Personnel, escort these two out.
No, Poe, we'll come back for you.
Now I think it's time we let Poe get some rest. Eyes?
Mission complete. Initiating operative sleep cycle. Good night, Poe.
Got him. We don't have much time.
Poe, can you hear me? It's Pyre. I told you we had a plan, but we can't pull you out. Not yet. I need you to keep at it. Eyes and Chow have left us in the dust, but when the moment is right, we'll get you out of there.
I put you back to sleep now. We'll be in touch soon, Poe. I promise.
Greetings, Operative.
Careful. Keep a low profile and avoid those lasers. That's how it detects hostiles. Nice. Eyes just flagged an elevator that leads to level 37. Here's hoping our robotic friend isn't the lift attendant. Oh god, Eyes says the Mark 1 has a weak point on its back. It's best not to engage this thing. Try to sneak past it to the elevator.
Mechanized hostile detected.
Another Mark 1. Get back.
Camera feed disconnected. Hostile inbound.
Unit, we've lost CCTV in your area. Please investigate. that. OPHIS forces, don't lose Espire. Hunt them down.
Magazine depleted. Damage received.
All units, we have lost sight of the enemy.
Espire condition critical. All damage
All
repaired.
units, find and eliminate the intruder.
The elevator's on its way. Just hold on a little longer.
Present forces, we have lost sight of Espire. HQ is lifting the alert.
The elevator's here. Quick, get in. Just like old times. Good work, Poe.
Welcome, Operative.